In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to reset your Google Cloud Shell. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to shell.cloud.google.com, and then from here it will look something like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here you'll need to go up to the right hand corner and go over to the three dots called More, and the first one should be Restart. Once from here, you'll be able to click Restart Cloud Shell, and here you can choose which one in particular you want to restart. Once from here, you can click either the VM is unresponsive, one clean VM state, or another. From here, you'll just simply need to click Restart, like so, and now it's incinerating your Google Cloud again, and you can authorize like so and log into your Google account. And once that is done, a clean sheet will look something like this. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!